Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need perler beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle. You're going to need 6 pieces of string that measure about 25 inches. I have this tool to help me, so a pair of pliers. You're also going to need a lanyard hook, and you're going to need some of these. They're like mini key rings. I found them by the jump rings for the jewelry making. And we're going to start with one of our pieces of string. You're going to put on one blue, let it fall, and then blue on both sides. You're going to add purple that goes through both strings. You're going to add purple on both sides. You're going to add, well, I have these striped perlers. If you don't have those, you can use whatever color you want. This will be the center. So we added one that went through both strings and then one on each side. And then you're going to add one that goes through both. Okay, now we're going to add 2 purple, one on each side, one that goes through both, and then we're going to add 1 blue on this side and then 2 on this one. And we're going to hold this string and pull all this down. Whoa. Alright, once that's pulled down and tight, you can tie it. Okay, we're going to leave this piece on for now. Go ahead and put your needle on. And we're going to go up through this blue, the second one. You're going to add a blue and go through the purple. We're going to add a purple. We're going to add another purple. We're going to add a blue. And we're going to go through this top blue and through this one. Okay, so we just went around. You're going to add a blue. You're going to add purple and another purple. You're going to add a blue. Okay, this time we're going to go through these two. We're going to skip this one, but just go through these two. You're going to add a blue and a purple. You're going to add a blue. And this time you're going to go down these 2 purples, up this purple, and then down this blue. Okay, flip this over. We're going to add a blue and another blue. You're going to go down this purple and this bead right here, up this purple, and then down the blue. flip it over. You're going to add a blue. This time we're going to go through all of these beads. And these two. You're going to add a blue. You're going to add a purple. You're going to add a blue. Okay, we're going to go down this purple and down this purple, up this purple, and then down this blue. You're going to add a blue and another blue. We're going to go down these two, up this purple, and then down this blue. Flip it over. We're going to add a blue, and we're going to go through these three, and then put your needle on the small end. Go through this blue and this blue. We're going to make a knot here. Cut these off. And then I like to pull this back to try to hide that knot, if you can. If not, it's not a big deal. Okay, now we need to make another one of these, and then, well, I'll just show you. I have these already made. So you're going to need a yellow and green one, and then pink and orange. Once you have all of these made, then you need to connect these. So this part is going to be a little tricky. Put one on. This is helpful for this part. Well, there we go. And then just make it go around like that. So you're going to connect all of these together like that. And then you'll take your hook and you'll be able to close it. Well, if I could get it open. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.